In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create work schedules using monday.com so you can organize team availability, set working hours, and improve scheduling across your workspace. First, sign in to your monday.com account and click your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Next, select Administration from the menu. Once you're in the admin area, click General and then choose Work Schedule. Here, you'll see your existing schedules or the option to create a new one. Click Add Schedule to begin creating a work schedule for your team. Now, enter the working days and hours for the schedule. You can choose which days of the week are considered work days and set the start and end times for each day. If needed, add company holidays, recurring days off, or special non-working days to ensure your schedule reflects your team's actual availability. Once you've configured the schedule, assign it to the appropriate team, department, or users within your workspace. Review all the details to make sure everything is correct, then click Finish or Save to create the schedule. Your work schedule is now active and can be used to support task planning, notifications, timelines, and workload management across your monday.com workspace. That's it. You've successfully created a work schedule using monday.com. Thanks for watching.